Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to select 10,000 cell in Excel quickly. So let's start this my Excel. So select a cell where you want to start the selection. So I want to start from the A1, okay, to F column. So A to F column with the 10,000 row, okay. So I select here the first one and then go to the name box and just edit the name box and enter here the first F for up to the F column. So first enter F, then enter the 10,000. Okay. So don't press quickly enter key. Before that, hold the shift key and then press the enter key, and that's it. Here you can see the 10,000. Okay, cells is selected here, row is selected. If you want to border, you just click on the border, and 10,000 row is border applied. See, so that's it. This is a way you quickly select the 10,000 cell in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.